What's going on, guys? Jay, that drain guy. Got the K-50 here. We got a sink here that is full of Drano. So they got a main cleanout right there. So we're gonna snaking it out. We're gonna open this up. All the water is gonna drain out, and then we're gonna snake it. Let's see what happens. Okay, so it's hand tight. Always be very careful when you're dealing with stuff with Drano in it. It's definitely a good way to get burnt. All right, so we're going to use, like I said, the K-50 5/8 cables. We're going to use our clog chopper head. So, got our clog chopper, right? I don't know where this drain goes. There is a grease trap behind me, but none of the other drains are backing up. So it shouldn't be too far, but I guess we'll see. We're going to try changing heads. I don't believe it's broken. Usually if it's broken, you'll be pulling back lots of sand and stuff on the head. So we're going to try the small spade. I hate when people use the Drano because it splashes and it ruins my clothes. So that's 7.5 feet right there. I don't know if we made it that far before, I can't remember. I don't think so. The water's still coming back, but this could mean it's got bad slope on it. So, I don't know what's happening right now. I basically want to plug that up like this, and then I'm going to run some water again and see if it backs up. So, give me a second. So basically, I got the water going, and I got that plugged up. So really, it should still be pouring out if it was clogged, because there is the gap at the top. Now the paper towel is getting wet. I can see that. But it's not pouring out. So I think we're good. So I think there's just bad slope on this pipe. And I think we'll be able to see that once we pull it out. I am going to put another set of cables in. Right now I'm at the back end of my second cable, which would be 15 feet. So we're going to put in another 15 feet. And those who can do math at high IQ level will tell you that will be a total of 30 feet. I know. You guys, I know. I'm a genius. But was my hand covering the camera? Am I that much of a genius that I would do that? We'll see when we edit this out. All right, here goes. So that's that 15-foot mark right there. Each of these cables are 7.5 feet each. I usually have 2 cables connected to one another. $22.5 feet right there. 3 cables. Got one more coming. I think it actually might be in the grease trap. So we're going to pull it out. And then we'll test it. And then we'll go to the next job. Those are the new Milwaukee pliers, ratcheting plier or wrench pliers. I like them. So. I'm going to plug up this sink and then we're going to test it out. We're not going to dump the food debris down there. But we're going to put some more water in there. All right, guys, that's awesome. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments down below. If you guys liked the video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and subscribe if you haven't. Till next time, this has been Jay, that Drain Guy, signing out. Trogna.